Imagine if I would have had the mic. I don't like eclairs. I already know how much I'm going to rate this. 0. Who has eclairs? She did not do cheers with me.
You are lonely.
I am so lonely. Will you rate it without tasting the individual flavor? I'm talking as if we're having Michelin star. Oh my god, wow. 20-minute yapping full on video. Adult vibe. So what is supposed to save time? You wasted.
Same with this.
Personality. How can the personality be really personal? What do you mean? His personality is very private. Mentally 9.
Mentally disabled, you mean?
Did you just call me mentally disabled?
Babe, don't take it personally.
But I'm 9.
She's lazy. Just basically, she's lazy. Ugly looks.
Comment. I have no. Scared me.
Just ASMR.
Anyway, back to अच्छा बेटो भागी गया नहीं खाओ जा भागी रो से एक मैं लागे जाने खबर पड़ी है मैं रिकॉर्ड करो ना हाँ नहीं बेटी बेटो जी भी है उत्तर हम पूछा रो नहीं मुंडी तो जोई रो Is he dancing or what?
He's making a trust bond. Little turtle. कितना चेहरा छोड़ो छना
हाँ मतलब ये मैंने ना टच करो ये मैंने टच कर से
हाँ
What is this?
I don't know. He's trying to shed.
मैंने अजीब सेंसेशन था
एक खुद अपना
scratching himself onto my skin अरे कहाँ भागी रोज है ए बेटी किधर जा रही हो
बेटा gender him. Zoom in to him.
पर bite you if he gonna bite you
He can't bite me, you know. I feed him every day.
see
He's a real pretty.
say hi अरे आवली tuk tuk is such a sleepy head tuk tuk
Look at me. Look at this camera. Statue. Statue. Anunga होती है सर चलो go back to sleep my dear guy don't
What are the vibes, y'all? What are the vibes?
the vibes are crazy वापस निकले बेचारा आराम से सो रहा था ruined his sleep I'm gonna show you this picture later to show your own face you need to enjoy time together
Oh my god.
गिरी जा
नहीं गिरा ए बाबा
તમે તો તમારા ડર લાગે છે એક દિવસમાં ચીપકી ગયા ના સાથે વેરી
सारी चल आओ टुक टुक મારો નથી, એ કોઈ બીજાનો છે, એ એનો જ પેટન્ટ છે.
Expensive. Video here.
એ બાબા કૂદ 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 મત કૂદ મત કૂદ મત કૂદ મત. કા જાય છે આવે છે તો એને છે.
अच्छा म्यूट कर लो वॉइस निकल से टाइटल ऐड कर दो चैनल
આવે છે. કા જાય છે પાછળ પાછળ બધી. ખાઈ લો ને.
अच्छो एंगल से जूम इन किया इसे नेचुरल जूम इन very rude of you.
फूल से चाहिए बस.
Fools.
तो
કા જાય છે.
चलो
પકડું પકડું. હા 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 ભાગી રહ્યું છે. ઇતની ફૂર્તી કાશી આવી ગઈ એનામાં.
Very good job.
હમણાં તો જમીન તો કઈ બી નથી. Yes.
Let me hold him, please. Just.
રોજ ભાગી જ રહ્યો છે. હાય ટુક ટુક, સે હાય. સે હાય. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. You just want to run away? Huh? Tuk tuk. મારા બ્લોગમાં ઘણી વાર I said say hi. જોઈ લેજે પછી. તું જોઈ લેજે ઠીક છે ડુઆઈ.
मम्मी बचाओ मुझे. मम्मी बचाओ मुझे. What a double English.
ડુઆઈ say hi. આ મસ્ત લાઈટ છે યાર એકદમ.
चेहरा वगैरह.
Wow, chip stash. Chip stash review. तो chip stash बता देते हैं. Chip stash. Wow. Popcorn. Lays.
And more potatoes.
Potato. हमारा नियम ना.
बड़ा कम है.
Let's rate which one is better.
I find this.
Kind of. Sweet taste है.
There's a jar, but I'm not very medium taste.
मैंने मिंटा घर में करना.
लो.
मैंने नहीं खाई.
लो, लो.
मैं नहीं खाऊंगी.
ये तो करो बिजा स्ट्रॉबेरी वाला में.
Strawberry वाला ने. The strawberry gets
8.5.
8.5.
And
And the mint gets 8.5. Yeah. I like mints. What is your idea about moments? We are going to ask my cousin here.
Start here.
Yeah. What are we doing?
Rating
Rating?
random chocolates
We are rating random chocolates,
which I find in my house.
which she found in her house. I'm at my cousin's place.
This is another flavor.
Green flavor.
Watermelon.
What is strawberry? And this is mint. This is strawberry, mint,
And this one
and a lone milk chocolate, and a lone watermelon. Ah!
Red.
She's already taking out the other two flavors.
We are like,
I like this. Watermelon, can you find them? I like watermelon.
these are melons.
I mean, seriously?
हाँ मेरे अभी समझ में क्योंकि मैं 50 मिनट में खा लूँगा ये लोग वेट मामा किस में
9.5. Watermelon deserves a 9.5.
highest. This is the mint, which I'm going to try to.
Mint flavor, she's going to try
Actual
it.
good.
Chalo, cheers.
Blueberry flavor.
This is not
This is blueberry mint.
blueberry mint.
Eight
We should have had it at the same time.
8.6.
So,
9
for her, 9.5 for me.
And blueberry 8.
I'm thinking it deserves something lower because watermelon is so good. 8. Watermelon is an.
Strawberry.
No, watermelon is a 9.5. Blueberry is an 8. Now this is strawberry.
And this time I will do cheese.
Cheers. Cheers.
8. Actually, 8. I don't like it.
8.5.
And this
Final
is
verdict.
this is unknown chocolate, which I can't have, but I'm gonna have half, you know.
I don't want to have that.
Yeah, you got it?
I don't
If
want
I am having good have that too. This is alki. I'm gonna try this.
milk chocolate.
Not for me.
I like milk chocolate that much. So,
Give it a 8. It is an
8.
8. Yeah.
8 it is. 8 it is.
लुल्लू आ गई एसी में से
Video चालू हो रहा है. You want to say hi?
हाय चलो तैयार था नफीसा
तैयार और ready तैयार. Ready for life. I thought you'd be ready for life.
Highest rating goes to watermelon. I like watermelon. You like watermelon?
Yeah.
Which one do you like? Rate. So the highest console.
Watermelon.
Watermelon, then
And strawberry is not the best.
I would say watermelon, then strawberry, then blueberry.
You said you like mint more.
Hey, ha. Mint. Actually, yeah, watermelon, then this, then this.
But you.
No. That was wrong. I just got it in the moment.
She broke my hairband into
I
3
stomped
pieces.
on it. I didn't know it was lying on the ground.
It was black and my floor is almost grey. Which it's visible. It's really visible.
It's not visible.
Visible.
Watermelon.
But it's just
Lovely raisin work. Absolutely a must. I like this. Very pretty, very pretty. You're doing a haul. Literally every single thing is lying on the ground.
this is another color, pink and green.
Pink and green.
Minsung.
Purple.
Say minsung.
Minsung.
Yeah, say minsung. It's gonna get more promoted.
Is that a word? K-pop word? Okay.
This
Okay.
is bluey.
Bluey.
Blue is a good cartoon. You should watch it.
Yes.
This is silver.
I like this one the most. Top
You and
tier.
her mom loves the same too.
Yes.
And this is Goldie.
Golden.
Goldilocks.
Very pretty, very pretty.
Rate it.
Very pretty, very pretty.
Rate it differently. You can't rate it the same.
Okay.
Which one do you love the most?
I like silver the most.
Rate
Highest.
out of 10.
Highest rating. 9.5.
No, 10. Very rude.
This one is also very good.
Fourth.
This is. I like this color as well a lot.
So which one?
This is a 9. This is a 8.75. 8.7.
This or this?
This was it. No. Acha, you rate
Yeah. This.
0.5.
And this?
8.60. I like this.
Which one do you like the least? Not like hate, but like the least. This or this? Do not say Minsu. We don't have any right to say Minsu.
I am supposed to choose the one, and then you're telling me to not choose the other one. What amount of choice do I have here?
Because I don't like this too. There's this and
My
then
cousin
this
loves these two.
one. And then the rating comes on Ona. Then
Minsu?
third. Then
If this would have been more golden, I
Yeah.
think it would have been, yeah, like something similar
No,
to this.
like-
Oh, there's another one here, purple.
Yeah, but I got the inspiration from. But this one is more natural because it was a mistake.
This looks natural because it was a mistake.
And this was the best.
Yeah.
As my mom had no idea, so she just.
Hello, guys. Who do we have with us? Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
She's
Be
fine.
better.
Now, could be better.
Better.
Can't be better. Anyways, we are doing another chocolate. I don't like eclairs, but okay. We don't have another option.
Strawberry plus blueberry. Minty.
That we did.
Got for fun.
5-star we got for fun.
Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Hide and seek with a biscuit.
We are just grabbing random items that we have at our place.
Like a specs.
Specs. Ah, melt hi gayi je yaar.
Who cares?
This is the chocolate hall,
The
sort
part
of a
two
thing.
version is watches.
Chocolate hall. And we have some eclairs, even though we don't like it. No, I don't like it. Chalo,
I
chalo.
like every chocolate
Hold
we
this.
find.
I'm going to break this.
You take them.
Okay, I'm going to hold the mic. She's going to do some.
Yeah. One part broke for extra. This is for fans.
Oh, wow. This is crispy wala. Cheers. Cheers. Imagine if I would have had the mic. I like the original Galaxy without the crispy thing.
Sense.
I don't like milk chocolate anymore.
Huh?
Dark chocolate. But we didn't have an option.
Red. Out of 10.
Let's have all of them first and then we'll rate.
Works. I think. Eclairs.
I don't like eclairs. I already know how much I'm going to rate this. 0.
No. Fairness.
Who has eclairs? She did not do cheers with me.
You are lonely.
I am so lonely. Yeah, let's have this. Even though I don't like eclairs. Eclairs are stuck in my 5-star.
I hate eclairs.
It's very evident. I'm still chewing on that eclairs. You ate. How will you rate it? How will you rate it without tasting the individual flavors? I'm talking as if we're having Michelin star food.
Something wrong with the mic. Watches.
Now we are doing a watch haul. Like all of the watches I've ever worn.
These two are special, I guess.
Not special. We just have a box. These don't have a box. My mother has an amazing watch collection.
I don't think you should bring hers.
I technically always wear her watches.
This is not hers, right?
Two silver body. The other is normal leather. And another one is rubber.
And
Ah,
this
tod
one?
do, bhai, tod do.
Ajib, what?
This is not a Jeep. That's a leather band purple. Oh, it matches the Rida that I'm wearing right now. The color. And we have
What
another.
she is wearing is an amazing cloth.
Huh?
What you are wearing is an amazing cloth. It's amazing clothes. Very good material. And really silky. And this is an amateur watch.
I got this from my school back when I was in 12. Back when I was.
12!
Yeah.
I
This.
think your teachers thought you were very immature as a kid.
I think that was from like 11, 12. We got that watch from school or something. Let's rate them. First, which one do we go for?
She stopped wearing these for some particular reason, and I have to guess that.
Okay. Which one do you want?
This one.
Let's go.
It's really, really unique.
First, this is the watch. I'm going to wear it. Oh my god, wow. I'm going to wear this to reveal it to you guys. This is how it looks. How do you guys like it? Then it's silver. I'm like, you have to supposed to guess the reason why I don't wear it.
Because it's silver and it looks pretty unique. And probably I would rate it out of 10, 8.
This watch is very classy, but then I like golden more than silver.
But most of your watches are like the looky ones are silver. Why? And black. And this one is uniquely pink.
This one was back when I was.
And why does it look so great?
7, 5.
It looks pretty cute.
Like clean or great, as in what? Clean.
Let's see that later.
Okay, we're talking about this one.
So
What the problem with this one is? Oh my god, do you want to say what happened?
Yes.
This stupid thing, we just by mistake fidgeted with the on off typical thing, and then we recorded a 20-minute yapping full on video that was of no use. We rated all of the chocolate and all that stuff, and then that was of no use, all because this stupid thing went out. So it's just us to just blabbing without any voice. Plain, because I just had to delete that. Back to this. It's very pretty, it's very elegant, but like I said, silver. I don't
think
know.
silver suits you more than gold. Personally.
I don't know. I'll probably wear this.
Depending on the clothes, you know.
Yeah, depending on the Rida that I'm wearing in the moment, I'll have to choose the watch.
But probably I think silver looks better on you anyways.
I don't like silver. I like gold.
What suits you actually?
I'm a gold girl.
What about you? How much do you rate it?
Rated? I like this watch actually, but since it's not golden, eight.
I rated it 8.
You rated it 8 too, okay. Both our ratings are 8 for this watch. This one is also silver.
But I like this one more for some reason. It's cute.
You wanna know how long I've worn this watch?
Probably 7 to 8 years. Or 2 years.
Not 2 years. This watch, I've worn this in like since grade 9. Grade 9, 10, I've worn. So the metal band gives it a much more adult vibes. Because I like the dial of it, it's very different.
But it's cute. I don't know.
Yeah, it's cute. This one I've been wearing since 11.
Yeah.
Grade
2
11.
years.
2, no, 4 years.
Yeah.
4 years.
Nah. Clumsy me. I think you hate it because it's silver again.
Wait, let me wear this.
Wait. I will rate it probably 9 for me.
9?
Yeah, don't ask.
That's high.
Actually 8.5 because I like other watches more.
I don't problem with this watch is that the metal band is very
Tight.
tight and it doesn't like I have to shift it around like 5 to 6 times. See. Exactly. This is the problem with it. That
It's not even going in.
this and that annoys me, and then it takes time to get this off, and then it leaves impression on my hand if I wear it for an extended period of time. So this is the problem with this watch.
I should have seen wearing this watch. Only then I would like
See,
know
and
the
it takes
It's
a lot
quite
of time.
annoying, you know, to waste time or unnecessary.
When a watch is supposed to save time, it's making you waste it. Now do you understand why I do not like it that
But
much?
it actually looks really pretty, but you should never go on the looks, you know. Same with
For the
this.
personality.
Watch's personality.
Yeah, what is the personality of this? Let's guess.
Really personal.
How can the personality be really personal? What do you mean private? That like his personality is very private.
Let's rate. But
It's actually
the
very-
band is like really. You see, probably. This is very
Yeah.
googly one.
Googly woogly. This is what bubbly looks like.
No, like really. The band is crazy.
Crazy.
I'll probably rate this already 9. Don't ask. I'm really, yeah, I really don't ask anything.
I love this watch. I think my parents got it.
Then why did you stop wearing it? I have to guess.
Yes.
It looks really.
No, actually, a lot of people still wear. I'm a child. I am a child. Yeah. I am mentally 9.
Mentally disabled, you mean?
Did you just call me mentally disabled?
Hey, don't take it personally.
Oh, let her guess. Why do I not wear this anymore?
It's, let me see.
She's finding all of the.
It doesn't work.
But that's all right. I mean, I can get a battery in it or something.
Then what is the reason?
You have to guess it. I'm not.
I
supposed
guessed.
to help.
It looks too childish and the battery ran out.
Battery ka to it's fine. I can work on. That's not a reason.
But
But it's childish. No. Wait, that is not the right reason. It's not. It's
if it's childish, I may take it.
You want this?
If it's childish for you, because I am a little child. I'm little now. At 10.
I am 9.
No, I am.
I am 9.
Nice. Nice.
But I'm 9. 10 is in bracket.
So,
Does that make sense? Yeah, so
By the
the reason
reason-
why I don't wear this anymore is because I forget that this exists. Yeah, it's literally in my drawer, and I just wear one single watch that's outside on my what is that dressing table, like whatever. And
she's lazy.
convenient.
Just basically. She's lazy.
Then
Lazy like me and my bro. Who is also her cousin, but not on this channel. At least till now, I think.
yeah, he's not here. Not till now. He's not. He's not made his entry till now.
Because it's really soon to reveal his ugly looks.
I have no comment. I have no comment. Tutu. Oh my god, Taliban. Oh my god, Taliban. Oh, decided to show up. My brother decided to show up. Where is the mic? Where is the mic? My brother decided to show up. Who is this? Say hi. Say hi. now he's like basically, yeah, he's doing astaghfirullah. Oh my god, she scared me. I got scared. Oh my god, her reaction has been saved. Anyways, back to this.
A little bit.
Let's see.
He came here to take your
Huh?
He came here to take your phone, but then
I don't think so. He just came here to annoy me.
no, he came here. He just told us.
Let's whatever. He doesn't matter that much.
This doesn't work.
No, this works.
Oh.
40.
This is the. It's usually 12 and 6 marked over here,
Yeah.
but it's like 1, 3, and 5 is marked over here, and there's some random star.
Huh.
Random star on it.
That's fast track ka sign.
What's that?
Fast track company.
Probably because it's like this thingy. Probably I don't know what material this is, but
Leather.
yeah, leather. It's probably leather, and it's pretty not matching. No, it literally looks.
It depends on the.
It looks beautiful on you. Like not gonna lie, your like hand shape is.
Broad wrist. No, that's why. If the wrist is quite broad. Now these were her reasons. Now let me tell you all what the actual reason is why I don't wear this.
Am I correct?
I don't like the belt of this.
I told you.
Yeah.
It's because of the leather.
Leather. So that is that. I only end up wearing this when I have my exams because this.
Because you don't like exams and you don't like this. What's
No,
this book?
no, no.
Feel like ASMR, like in the video.
I think.
Is this ASMR? Probably not. But okay.
Anyways, back to the point.
Yeah, back to the point.
So I only wear this during exams because the other one I have is basically it creates sounds. So like the one that I usually wear, the golden one, that creates sounds. So you can't basically wear it during an exam center. So that is why.
It
And
makes noise.
yeah, when like every single hour, if suppose if it's 10 o'clock, then it creates a